Hello everyone. In this video you have to learn how can you start a PowerPoint presentation, creating a new slide, adding text to a slide, formatting text in a slide, moving the text box, inserting a new slide, about slide layout, saving the presentation, run the slideshow and closing the presentation. To starting the PowerPoint presentation, first we click on search box and type PowerPoint presentation and click on here. I have Windows 10. If you have Windows 7, so click on start button, then programs, then Microsoft Office and choose the PowerPoint presentation. A window will be appear on the screen, and for creating a new presentation you have to click on file tab, then select the option new, and you can also press the control N for a new presentation. Then click on blank presentation for creating a new slide. A new blank presentation appears. For creating a slide, this is called slide. A single sheet is called slide. It's an individual sheet. The many slides creates a presentation, and this is called this box, rectangular shape dotted line box, is called placeholder. We can move the placeholder, we can delete the placeholder, but how can we add the text in it? To adding the text in it, click on here and type, click on any layout according to your topic. What is layout? A slide layout refers to the way in which your slide contents are arranged. Each layout has a descriptive name which contains different types of placeholder that you can use depending on what information you want to include in your presentation. There are many slide layout. Today my topic is water cycle, so I select this one and type here, this is placeholder, a dotted line area, this rectangular box is placeholder. Type here water cycle, water cycle. And how can you format it? First you move it, you have to first you select it and keep your cursor here, plus you can see plus sign here, and drag it where you want to place it. And how can you format it? First select it and go to in font size option. To increasing the size, you can increase size, and after this you can also bold the text. For making the text bold, you have to click on bold option, that is control B. Shortcut key is control B. If you want to slanting your word, you can click on I, and if you want to make the word underline, you can click on U. So and you give the font color of your text. So click on font color here and choose any color according to you. And after this, here is a new tab. This is format. When you select the text, a format text tab will be appear here. When you click on the text box or placeholder, a format tab will be appear on the screen. To fill the text box, you can click here. Here is the option shape fill, text fill. Click on shape fill to fill the box. You can select any color like this. You can choose anyone, and if you want to change the color of the text or fill the color of the text, so here is the option of text fill. Select one, you want to like this. And if you want to give the text effects, so you can click here. Here is the option text effects. You can give the reflection, glow, 3D rotation, transform. You can click here glow option, your text looking like this. So it's a formatting of basic formatting of a placeholder.